Got me standing on this shit. Crazy. $50, man. Am I down that bad? Hey, what's going on, guys? Today we're at a landfill. We're doing some repairs, but right now I'm just waiting in line. I'm out here for a contactor. Alright, so finally got the stupid panel off. And trying to figure out how I can change this thing out. Without killing myself. Alright. Let me see what we got. Verify that there is power coming in or no power. No power going out. No power coming in. I got it off at the breaker. The contacts here. They're burnt. You can see it up here where this just burned out. 0 volts. 0 volts for a contactor. But I'm sure I make some good YouTube content. So now that I verified that there's no power, change this out, and then I'll get to it. All right. Lost that thing. There ain't no way to do this right. Alright, so I got the high voltage disconnected. I'm about to do the low voltage, but I gotta make sure that thermostat's off. Alright. Verified low voltage is off. So let's get back up here and take the low volt out. Thermostat is off. Now, just to be clear, I'm gonna obviously replace this, but I'm gonna check that compressor. I saw some burnt marks over there too, and I think that's the main thing going on here. you know? Got me standing on this shit. Crazy. $50, man. Am I down that bad? Alright. So we got the contactor off. Ooh. Alright, so I can actually see what happened. The contacts just got burnt and pitted. These things are pretty shot. But we got a new box right here. That I'm gonna open. I'm gonna just get down for a minute. This is gonna be the new one. I've been doing a lot of sketchy jobs lately. Now I need 3 hands really. 1 to hold me and 2 to put this stupid thing on. So I'm gonna press my legs against both pillars here to hold me up as I use my other hand to screw this mug in. Hey, I got another one here though. I might just hand thread it. That's all I need is a little bite. Legs and just hold the rest now. The best that's gonna get in. I can get another screw and screw that in later. I'll have to cut these and then, yeah. So, what was the old low volt wire? So we have blue on the left, and that's all I really need to know. It ain't that serious, but kind of annoyed that this wasn't done. With the last guy, but not surprised. But you know, what can I say? What can I say? Someone gotta do it. You already know this thing is a pull and clean. So why am I even taking pictures? For this type of work, they don't care. They just want it to run. I gotta get another screw. Some of y'all were saying, hey man, your van looks kind of bare. Yeah. Excuse me. We've been low on stock for a minute, but we got a shipment coming in pretty soon. Alright, so we got that thing up and running. I have it set to cool. It's 67, 61 out here. Nothing has blown up yet. I think a surge had taken those wires off. Let's see what we got. It's what in here? 68, 58. So far 10 degrees. Return 70.
The Allied invasion became known as Operation Overlord, and in January of 1944, General Dwight Eisenhower was appointed the commander of the operation.
Should be good to go now.
Was on its way.
It's blowing cold.
Weeks before it was due, the Allies carried out a deceptive operation.
You're welcome.